find the sum of an AP, you need a formula S sub n equal to n over 2, open bracket, 2a plus n minus 1, bracket d, in close bracket. Now, you notice this formula, you need to know the first term, the common difference, and the number of terms. This is the formula you need to use to find the sum of an AP. So the sum of terms in an AP. You can also use the formula S sub n equal to n over 2, open bracket, a plus l. Now this is when they give you the first and the last term. A here is for the first term, L here is for the last term. So if they say, okay, the first term of an AP is this, the last term is this, use this formula. It's make it easier for you. Okay. Well, we're going to work on this formula first. Now, let's say they give us an AP 2, 4, 6, dot, 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 dot. And they ask us to find the sum of the first 20 terms, okay? So the sum of the first 20 terms. Okay, so what we need to do is to take note of the formula and fix in the values. But first we need A, which is the first term. So we need A, and the first term, the first value is 2. Then we need a common difference, and we've learned how to find common difference. So we'll say 4 minus 2, D is equal to 4 minus 2, which is also 2. So the next thing is to put in the values into the formula. So this will mean that our sum of first 20 terms will be S sub 20, which is the number of terms we're summing up, equal to n is 20. So you see this n here is 20, and over 2. We'll open our bracket, we have 2 times our first term, so we have 2 brackets a, which is 2 times 2. Then we have plus. Now n is 20, like we know, 20 minus 1, and the common difference is also 2. So this will leave us with S sub 20 is equal to, this is 10, open bracket, we have 4 plus 19, bracket 2. And if I still use a space, I think we'll have 10 brackets, 19 times 2 is what? That's 38. So we have 4 plus 38. All right. 4 plus 38. And our S sum of 20 terms will be 10, open bracket, 4 plus 38, like we have there. So 4 plus 38 is what? That is 42. Okay, so if we open the bracket here, we have 10 times 42, which is going to be 420. So no need for me to write 10 again. So we'll have 420 as our sum of terms, sum of 20 terms. So this means that if you sum from the first term down to the 20th term, you're going to get 420. That's the point. But sometimes the question could be a little bit different. They could give you the values, the first term and the common difference, like this question here. The question says the first term of an arithmetic progression is 3, and the common difference is 4. Find the sum of the first 28 terms. So they have given us first term as what? 3. Common difference common difference is 4, so D is 4, and the sum of the first 28 terms. So we have S28. We're looking for that. We already know the formula, right? So, but let me write the formula here just in case you've forgotten. It is S sub n equal to n over 2, open bracket, 2a plus n minus 1, close bracket, d. Okay? So, putting in the values, please, you need to know this formula if you have to solve sum of terms. So, n is 28, so we have 28 over 2, open bracket, 2 times the first term, which is 3, plus n is 28, so we have 28 minus 1, and the common difference is 4, as they gave it to us. So we have 2 divided 28 is 14. If we open a bracket, 2 times 3 is 6, plus 28 minus 1 is 27. Then we have 27 times 4. Okay, I'm going to use this space here. Okay, so we're going to have 14, open bracket. 27 times 4 is going to give us 108, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, yeah, it's going to give us 186. 6 plus 108. Okay, then we have 14 bracket 6 plus 108 is 114. Now we have to multiply this one, and my brain cannot do that. So I need help. So 14 times 114, and to give you 1596. So we have 1596. So basically, sum of 28 terms, the first 28 terms is 1596. This is our answer. All right, so this is how you find the sum of terms in an arithmetic progression. We're going to solve more problems on this, practice problems for um, examination students. If you like this video, subscribe please, and also leave a question or a comment in case you have anything to say basically on this video. Thank you.